Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie. If you're new here, I unbox subscription boxes and more. Today is the and more part. I wanted to show you all a new alternative to a platform to run giveaways. It's alternative to the random comment picker or the wheel or whatever you may be using. If you're looking for something new and to freshen up your channel and to also perhaps bolster your social media platform, then this web app is for you. So if you'd like to see what this is all about, then please stay tuned. Alright, so the version I'm using is free. It's called KingSumo, and it's just at the top right here. You're going to go to KingSumo.com, and it's right there, the website, and you basically then would just enter, create an account. It's free. You just put in your name and email address, and after you do that, make sure to verify your account. Go back to your email and click on the yes, I've created an account with this website kind of thing. We get those emails all the time because you can't do much else without the verification. Tips from setting it up myself. So basically, this is what your dashboard would look like. It's really, really easy. I found it very intuitive to use. There's the new giveaway button, really big, right there. Pointed in the wrong direction. I'm getting it. There we go. So basically, you can see past giveaways that you've done. I did just a practice one just for fun on there to make sure I knew what I was doing. So here's what it looks like. All right, so we're going to create a giveaway. You give in the giveaway information. So I'm not going to go through and type everything, obviously, but to show you what you would need to run a giveaway on this platform. It's so easy and simple to set it up. You put in the title of your giveaway, a description about it. You can put in the start date. Hopefully, you do have to do military time, but it's so easy. And the end date. And then you can have when it's awarded. And then you also, if you've got more than one winner, you can change your number of winners. Make sure you're in the correct time zone. Who's running the giveaway? That's generally you. So you put your name in there, your URL. Honestly, when I ran mine, I just put in my YouTube website, and that worked fine for me. And what you're giving away, the prize name, prize value. It is a required field, but if you can estimate. You can whatever you want to do there. You can just put $1 if you just, you know what I mean? Just, it's not an important thing. You just have to put something in that field. All right, so for the prize image, then you would just use an image with a 2:1 ratio, as it says, with a minimum of 180 pixels width. Or wait, the PX, I'm not sure if that means pixels, it might. But I had no trouble uploading what I used before. It was about the size of a regular type thumbnail type picture. So just play around with that, and if you want to put in an image of your prize, that is required. But you can also, if you're doing a YouTube giveaway, you can also just put in your YouTube, your YouTube, what do they call it, profile icon, logo, whatever anything you want, really, obviously. So this is where it becomes important. If you would like to have your entrants be able to share with other people, you click these platforms. If you want them to be able to share on, you've got Twitter, Facebook, Facebook Messenger, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and email. If you don't, let's say you're doing a giveaway in a private group and you don't want it to be shared outside the group, just as I did, you'll unclick and unchoose any of those things. If I were to set up one for my YouTube channel, I could literally do, I would say, all of them. Because why not? If anybody wants to share it, you may or may not want LinkedIn, depending if you have your own profile there. Let's just say you want to do that. Moving along to bonus entries. This is a super cool feature, you guys. So with YouTube, I know, and any giveaway, anything you want to run, if you're on Facebook, whatever platform you're using, you want to bolster your other social media accounts. So you can do this. You do have one ad in there that gives everybody a bonus point that is basically what they called a app Sumo sponsored thing. And basically what that is just a link that takes you to an ad. It's safe. I've clicked on it before. Unless you can pay $50 for the premium version and get rid of their logo ad, but it's To me, that wasn't worth it. Here's the upgrade to remove button, but yeah, you don't want to do that. So add entry action. Here's all the things you can do. You can do social media followings. Like I said, you can have them like your Facebook account, your Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, subscribe. That is on there. That is good to know. I actually, when I did this before, I didn't look for that, but I wasn't sure that is on there. So that's fantastic. Podcast subscribe, and then you can do others. If you're running it for a long time, you can do a daily entry. You can have basically so it every 24 hours the person can come back, click on it, and get another entry. Or you can have them click a link, or look at this, guys. You can have them watch a YouTube video. You can actually send them to a video to watch. All of these get the bonus entries. So I'm just going to put in Instagram, for example. Follow me on Instagram, and you can change this action text to whatever you want, but that works fine. You know, if it's a group, you might want to say follow us on Instagram, etc. You can change it around. The greatest part about this for username here is you only have to type in, like everybody knows my Instagram, and if you don't, here it is. All you have to do is type in your handle. You don't even need a link. It's so easy. Now, I don't know how, other than getting out of the keyboard. There you go. Just click off the keyboard. And number of entries. You can decide how many it's worth. You can have all your social medias be the same. You can have them different. You know, whatever you want to do there. Decide that's how many entries it's worth. You can change that. And then if you want to add another one, all you have to do is go to the add entry. Facebook is a little different. Like, it does say us. You know, you could change that to me if you want. You get the picture, but then you do have to have the URL to your Facebook page. That is, it's in the settings. It's easy. It's fairly easy to find, especially if you're setting this up on desktop or laptop. If you're setting this up on mobile, I was still able to do it. You just have to search a little bit for your Facebook link. But anyway, I digress. So I think this is fairly simple. Self-explanatory. I'm just going to set one up real quick so you can see what it looks like. So let's just, I'm going to remove, and here's a trash can if you wanted to remove it, if you clicked the wrong one, if you decided not to add Facebook. I'll do a Twitter. You guys, a lot of you probably, what is my Twitter? Oh, I'm in the wrong section. Here we go. My Twitter, for those of you, I do have a Twitter, and I do put my channel information on it, as well as some other things. If you'd like to learn more about me and my interests, I am on Twitter. So there you go. I would add up to that. And what else are we going to add? Let's just say, let's do the daily entries. And obviously we can add a lot more, but you do have to have your links kind of ready, and you can scroll back and forth. When I did this on my phone, I was able to scroll back and forth and get all the links and get everything ready. So I've got everything that's shared, all of this, and this consent checkbox here is if you're only if you're planning on basically sending your entrants marketing messages after the giveaway. So if you wanted to create an email list, for example, for your business or for your page, this would be a really easy way to do it. But I think this thing will give your contestants a consent. You basically, it says it right here, actually, so your contestants can give clear consent as required. But it also talks about, are the contestants located in the EU? So I'm not even sure if we need that here in the US. So I didn't do that because guys, when I run this giveaway, just so you know, this host, I won't get any of your emails except for the winner's email. So I'm not going to see all your emails, your personal information, none of that will be given to me. So I'm going to click save. And apparently I didn't fill something out. Oh, right, because I have to fill all this out. So then I will be... All right, so now that I have filled out all of the fields indicated below, it says your giveaway is alive. And here's the best part, is to promote it. So this is how you share your giveaway. You could share on Facebook, send us a message, tweet about it, send by email. You can embed it into your website. You can embed the giveaway widget under your website. You can copy the link, or use Sumo to promote this giveaway on your website. I'm going to copy the link, and this is huge, but I did use my logo there, and so it hasn't started yet because I didn't think about that and showing it to you guys. So, but this is great because I can show you what you can do to get back to your dashboard. You can go in, and then let's say you've forgotten something, you can go in and edit your giveaway. And I just put in random stuff tutorial for fun. So today is the 3rd, but let's change it to 1540, so it will start literally in 1 minute. But it won't do that, will it? No, it goes in increments of 15 minutes. So we would turn down the military time to, let's just say 1530. And it would end then at 2:10, the February 10th at 1530, and awarded. Now, obviously, you could make this, you could change this to a lot sooner. You could change it to literally, you could change this time to literally like 15 minutes after your end time if you wanted. All of that can be changed. So then at the end, you just make sure you save any of your changes. And now I edited my giveaway and it's ready to view. So I just used my channel logo, and here we go. So there's you got 6 days, 23 hours, 15 minutes left, and you're looking for one winner. And oops. See, this is how the person would start to enter, and you can I'll just use my channel email and enter my own giveaway. You can do this too if you want, just to get a feel for what your users go through. So congratulations, you're in. You definitely at this point want to go to your inbox and confirm your email, because it's much, much easier to do it that way. So then go to your email that you typed in and get your confirmation that you're in and enter from your email. That's a big tip I have for entering. If you want to share that with your followers, I might do a separate tutorial on how to enter these. But basically then, your entrant can do things. They can share it on their Twitter. They would get 3 additional bonus entries for sharing it on Twitter, plus 3 additional bonus entries for every person who signs up for the giveaway on Twitter. Same for Facebook and for Facebook Messenger and Pinterest. And you've got share via email, follow on Instagram. And then there's my bonuses. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. You can click here daily for more entries. This one right here is the sponsored one from KingSumo. You can have your people click on it. It's not going to hurt them. I've done it. It's not spam or anything. And hey, it gets them another entry. So I think that's about it, you guys. The thing of it is, when it ends, the only thing that happens is that you're going to basically be presented with just the participant's email address. And that is a little bit, obviously, anticlimactic. I know a lot of us like to see the comment picker spin the wheel, or I just literally use them both. The comment picker do its rotation thing, or the random generator spin a wheel, that kind of thing. This does just spit out an email. If your winner has an email address with their first name in it or something like that, you can always show part of the email and then block the rest out, make it black, and take a screenshot to show the winner. Or you can just announce the winner, and that's it. And that's the only downside. I would definitely, a pro tip would be to let your people know that ahead of time when they enter, that it won't be anything exciting, that you'll just literally have the name drawn. But it will draw the name, and I'll actually go back in and end it to show you what it looks like when the winner is drawn. Alright, so when your giveaway is over and you are finally ready to pick the winner, it will show up here as ready to award. So all you do is click on that button, and it'll pull your winner, and obviously it pulled me because I was the only entrant, and it's not a confirmed entry because I never did go and check my email. So you'll have to decide as a channel how you want to handle that. I don't know if it really matters that it's not a confirmed. I guess be careful, be wary of a spam entrant if it's not confirmed. So that's a good point. That just shows you if the person confirmed it with their email address. I would be wary to choose one who didn't confirm it. And the thing of it is, if you want, you can also do a redraw. Well, in my case, you couldn't. It would come up with me again, but you know what I mean. If you have more, you could certainly do a redraw of it. So, ladies and gentlemen, what do you guys think? If you want to use this platform, again, you're more than welcome to. www.kingsumo.com. I will say, familiar, so just so you know, you still have to, if you're running it off of any platform, write in your own rules. Another thing that the free version doesn't allow you to do is write in your own rules. If you paid the $50, it's a one-time fee, but you could then put your rules into KingSumo. But for my purposes for YouTube, I can put my rules right in the video in the description box, so it doesn't really affect anything. Just, you know, make sure you go over the rules that KingSumo has and everything like that. But how many of your applicants are actually going to read them? I don't know. But I digress. So, you guys, I hope this is exciting. I hope this is something that you might consider using. I'm gonna try it out, and I've already done a test run of it, and I really liked it. And it's gonna boost, you know, it's going to, you have a chance to boost more platforms with it than just your YouTube account. You can get more people to your Instagram, to your Facebook, whatever you're trying to grow. You can assign point values. The bonus entries are exciting to me, so I think that's super cool. And if your people remember to go back and click each day to get an additional bonus entry, they just go back to the link. They don't necessarily, they can access it through their email. They don't have to go to your channel every day. So that's just another way of running a giveaway, guys. I hope this was helpful for some people. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. If there's anything I didn't cover that I might have missed. There might be some things I don't know the answer to yet, but I'm certainly happy to look into any of those with you. And until next time, guys, thanks for listening, and I will talk to you later. Take care.